Okay, in this demo I'm going to add a date picker, time picker, and a lookup. Let's go. I click on add-ins, click on the add-in, design. I want to design, type in a password, select the date picker, put my cursor wherever I want the date picker. Let's say put it over there, type in a name, just say date, enter. Select a time picker, type in a name, and I have a time. Let's add a date, a lookup. Now you can see there's only one sheet there, but the minute you add a lookup, it's going to add a sheet there for your list. Type in a name. I'm just going to say customer. Enter. There I have a customer button, and there if you look at the lookup, it's looking for a customer list. It's already created a sheet for you, so all your lookups will land up over here. And if you go and grab copy paste your customer list, which I'm going to do here, just copying it out of a text file. You can copy it from another spreadsheet, or you can type it in. There I've added my customer list. It's as simple as that. Bang. If I go to my customer list now, put my cursor there, I'm now ready to have a customer in there. It's as simple as that. If you look at this thing, you can even type in a couple of letters. There you are. Or you can type in and just enter. There you are. It's got a soft search for you, ready made. If you hit the time, you've now got a timer. Date. You've already got a date picker. Just open it up a bit. So look how fast you've designed this lot. You've now got a customer lookup. You've got a date picker and a time picker all in a couple of seconds. Now I'm going to add another, let's say another lookup. Let's just say design. I'm going to say bang, and I'll say even another lookup. Let's just see what lookups I've saved here. Okay, we'll go for this one here, the months. Copy. Okay, so watch this now. Here we go. Lookup, and I'm just going to say months. Make sure my cursor is in the right place. There, I've got a lookup there. If I go there and I paste, you can type it in, paste it, do what you want. Go there, back to there, and if I go there, there you are, done. It's as simple as that. I can even type in a soft search J, it'll take you to J. If I go back and I say U, it'll take you to the U, and so forth and so forth. So you've got all this done for you in seconds. No more coding. No beginners can use this. It works like a dream. Okay, I'm going to show you how easy it is to share workbooks with using FastAndEasy add-in. First of all, I made a folder, just called it shared accounts, so give it any name, and then I generated 3 spreadsheets, all with different usernames. So in other words, each user can use their own spreadsheet. I'll open up one, yeah. Okay, so basically each spreadsheet I made January, February, March in it, and you can type in your figures for January, February, March, any spreadsheet you like. You take note, the data starts at A9. All the spreadsheets are now the same. So what you do is you save it as user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4, and you put it in a common folder, or you can put it anywhere you want to. Once this is done, you start developing. I'll show you now how to create the shared workbook. Okay, let's generate a consolidated sharing workbook. Hit the add in. If you run a consolidation now, you'll have nothing here. You've got to create a design first. You click on that button there. Add a workbook. It needs a starting row of that workbook. We started in A9. Now it wants the name of the workbook, so you select it. I'm going to select the first workbook. It puts it in there. Select the second workbook. And select the third one that I've designed. Okay, I've done it. And of course, I can now save it. If I save it, I can add as many as I can go and add another consolidation. Let's go and add another one first. You notice that one I've added run a consolidation. Now I've got 3. Okay, let's run this one. There we go. Everything's consolidated. Everything. You can put your heading here or whatever you want to across. And if we go and do it again, this time you can say, whoops, run a consolidation. Then you can say delete old data first. It'll keep the heading. Run. And back, you've got your consolidation. You can save this worksheet, come back anytime you want to, and just run. You don't have to design it again. Let's do this. Let's add another worksheet. I'm going to make another consolidation. So I'm going to have a consolidation in that one and consolidation in that one. You can have various consolidations. You can consolidate hundreds of sheets. Okay, so I'm going to add one here quickly. Design. Hit the consolidation button. Once a thing, I'm going to take the same spreadsheet, but I'm only going to consolidate one now. I'm taking user 1, that's all. Okay, I'm just going to run it for you. There you are. There, I've only ran one there, and if you save it, you go there, and you save it, you'll have different consolidations. If I go there, run, delete old data, run, bang, I've consolidated all those. And if I go to this sheet and I go run, delete old data, bang, I've done it. Now I've only got that sheet's consolidation. And when it consolidates, if you've got January, February and March, it'll consolidate, it'll add up January, February and March's data in this spreadsheet. It also adds up the data in each sheet, plus it consolidates all the data in each workbook. So there's so many uses for this. You could just make one spreadsheet with January, February to December, and you just hit this button and it'll consolidate from January to December. If you've got 10 of these spreadsheets, it'll consolidate from January to December in each sheet, and it'll consolidate every workbook. You can save yourself hours and hours and hours and hours of work. Plus you now got many people that can all work in their own spreadsheets, and you consolidate it. That's how we share workbooks using FastAndEasy add-in. Thank you for listening.